Hi, I'm Dr. Taylor Brooks. As an optometrist, my job is to help our patients see their very best. One of the ways we do that is through orthokeratology. Ortho-K has been FDA approved for almost 10 years for treating nearsightedness and astigmatism in children and adults. We use it primarily to help patients enjoy freedom from their glasses and contacts for all of their daytime activities, which is great for athletes, patients with drier eyes, patients that work indoors at a computer. One of the other benefits of orthokeratology is that in many patients, including lots of our patients, it can slow down the rate of change or the progression of nearsightedness. This is especially important for parents who are nearsighted, who know the limitations of having poor distance vision and their children's vision is starting to change. They are great candidates